The haunted house friends explore a spooky mansion and uncover its secrets. As the sun began to set on a chilly autumn evening, a group of friends gathered outside a dilapidated old mansion on the outskirts of town. Rumors had long circulated about the house being haunted, but the group of thrill seekers decided to investigate for themselves. Armed with flashlights and nervous laughter, they pushed open the creaking front door and stepped inside. The air inside the mansion was thick with dust and the smell of decay. One by one, the friends began to notice strange occurrences happening around them. Objects moved on their own, cold breezes passed through closed windows, and eerie voices whispered in the darkness. As they delved deeper into the mansion, they discovered hidden passageways, secret rooms, and long-forgotten treasures. Each new discovery only added to the mysterious atmosphere of the house, fueling their curiosity and fear in equal measure. They followed the sound to a dusty old library where they found a hidden door leading to an underground tunnel. With trepidation, they descended into the darkness, unsure of what they would find on the other side. They began to piece together the history of the house, uncovering a long-forgotten tragedy that had befallen its former inhabitants. The more they learned, the more they realized that the mansion was indeed haunted by the spirits of those who had suffered within its walls. Armed with newfound knowledge and a sense of determination, they set out to uncover the truth behind the tragedy and free the souls trapped in the haunted house. Through a series of harrowing encounters with the supernatural, the friends were able to uncover the truth behind the haunted house and lay the spirits to rest. As they emerged from the mansion, they were met with a sense of relief and closure, knowing that they had finally put an end to the haunting that had plagued the town for so long. As they walked away from the old mansion, the friends reflected on their journey and the bond that had been forged through their shared experience. Though the haunted house had tested their courage and resolve, it had also brought them closer together, proving that even in the